How to find transit number on Royal Bank Canada. To find your transit number, also known as a branch number, you gotta follow these steps. You can do this through the online banking. First, you will log into the RBC online banking using your credentials. From the dashboard, you wanna go to account summary, where your accounts are listed. Then you will click on the specific account for which you want to find the transit number. On the account details page, you should see the account number along with transit number and institution number. The transit number is a 5-digit number that identifies your specific RBC branch. The institution number for RBC is always 003. You can do this through the mobile app as well. You will just open up the RBC mobile app on your phone and log in. Then go to account details by selecting the specific account from the main dashboard. You should find the transit number along with your account number under the account information section. You can also find it on a check. If you have a checkbook, you can find the transit number printed on your checks. You can read through this and also contact RBC. You can also call RBC customer service or visit a branch and they will provide you with your transit number if you need help locating it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.